Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of creativity and learning with the 5-in-1 Building Toys STEM Robotics Kit, a 430-piece marvel that transforms into an RC excavator, robot, and construction loader, perfect for sparking endless creativity in kids aged 6 to 14. This kit offers dual control options, allowing young engineers to navigate their creations with a remote control or a feature-rich mobile app, boasting impressive 360-degree rotations and a variety of gameplay modes like Euro, driving simulation, and STEM programming. As children assemble and disassemble these models, they delve into the fascinating world of construction vehicles and engineering principles, honing their logical thinking, creative problem-solving, and teamwork skills. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this kit meets rigorous ASTM and CPSIA safety standards, ensuring a non-toxic and odorless play experience that parents can trust. Ignite a passion for mechanics and engineering with this hands-on STEM learning experience, where every step from building to troubleshooting cultivates imagination and problem-solving abilities. With easy-to-follow, colorful instructions, this robotics kit makes an ideal gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion, inspiring the engineers of tomorrow. So, get ready to watch your child's creativity soar as they explore the endless possibilities of this educational and fun-filled construction kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.